Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to replace the engine air filter on a 2017 V6 Toyota Highlander. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is pop the hood by pulling this latch in the driver footwell. Then looking at the engine bay here, you can see the black box on the right. That's where the air filter is housed. You'll need a new air filter to put in ahead of time. This is the old Toyota part number, but you can find the new one at the affiliate link that I put in the description below. With that in hand, on the right side of this box, there's a little clip at the front corner and the back corner, again, both on the right side. You should be able to pop those off with your fingers, but if you're unable to do it by hand, feel free to pry it off with a flathead screwdriver. The top should come off pretty easily once those are unclipped and folded out of the way, and you should be able to take out the old filter without too much hassle. As you can see, there's a ton of dust and debris that fell out of this old one immediately, and while this is far from the worst filter I've seen, it is dirty enough that we're going to replace it. For comparison, here's a side-by-side with a brand new filter, and you'll notice the new one has a much lighter color tone and is slightly more transparent because it hasn't been filled up with that gunk yet. And the best thing to do with this old filter is put it into the trash can where it belongs. But now you can slide that new filter back into the air box. That rubber gasket is going to be facing up, so the thick filter part is going to be pointing down. Then you can go ahead and put that top half of the box back in place and then clip those two corners. And if you're having any difficulty getting those two corners to reclip, that means that everything isn't perfectly lined up and that the air filter isn't properly sitting in there, so go ahead and double check that before forcing this thing closed. But once those clips are back on, you are done and this thing is ready to go. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.